right, welcome to the second part of our chatbot, or maybe the learning software we're creating. So we continue from where we stopped previously. So we stopped after answering the various questions for the first round. So we're going to quickly finish it up in this part, and then we'll be good to go. So let's speed up a bit. Good. So in here, what we're going to do is this. Now we need to provide a field for the user who is able to qualify to the next round to enter the code and make sure the codes are entered correctly. If it's not well entered, we need to give them the second chance or to confirm their codes and all that. So let's quickly do that. So we need to switch our costume to chatbot 1D. So we go to logs, switch costume. It's already there like that, chatbot 1D. Then after that, we need ask block to enable the user to enter the code. So we need to go to sensing. So we use something like, say, enter a code to continue with the next round. Enter a code to continue with the next round. So we'll do that. Now provide, so we need an if-else statement block to be able to confirm the code. So fix it here. So knowing the code, which is 045, so we need an answer to compare. So the code is going to be the answer to this particular question, right? So we need answer operator. And then the answer tab. So if what the user enters is equal to the code, which is what? 0456. 0456. Then we switch costume to chatbot 1A and say good luck. Switch costume, go to looks. Switch costume chatbot 1A and then say good luck for 3 seconds. Good. That is because you're able to enter the right code. So it will say this to you, to switch this costume and say, good luck for that. Else means either you've entered the code wrong or whatever it is. So we need to confirm the code, right? Something like that. We need to confirm the code. This say else you have to switch costume to. Okay, we need to be okay. Now let's finish with the else. The else here means that maybe you've typed the code wrong, so we have to prompt you and say the code you've entered is what? It's not correct. It's wrong, right? So let's do that. So we need else switch costume to something like switch costume to chatbot 1B, and then it should say something like, sorry, you have entered the wrong code. Sorry, so it should say something like that. Say, let me check in my instructions. Maybe I have. Okay. Copy. Should say like something like, sorry, you have entered the wrong code. That is if you're unable to enter this correct, then it will jump from this and then come to these codes. You say, sorry, you've entered the wrong code. Maybe you are not qualified for this round. Try your luck next time. This should be said within 8 seconds. I think that would be ideal. Else, if you enter it correct, then we have to prompt you to what? To confirm your code. So we go to say ask. Wait. Like confirm your code to continue. So you'll be prompted. Do that. So with that, confirm your code to continue, and then yep. So we need another if else then block to compare. I need to duplicate this block. If answer is equal to 045610, it means our code is correct, right? Then we have to switch to chat costume to chatbot. 1A, right? Sorry. Switch the costume to chatbot 1A, and then it will say to me, welcome to stage 2 for 3 seconds. At least for 4 seconds would be ideal. Oh. Else, you've entered the wrong code. Maybe you are not qualified. If during confirmation 2 is still wrong, then we need to put a stop to this nonsense. It means you are not qualified. You're only trying to guess the code. So we need to stop everything and then quit. So we go to say, but before we do, we have to switch costume to chatbot what? 1B. And say this for 8 seconds. That will be, sorry, you have entered the wrong code. Maybe you are not qualified for that. So the same thing here. Copy it and then clear this. Paste it. Try your luck next time. But if you're able to do, then from there you should stop everything. So we go to control. So we say stop all. So from there to stop everything. So but if you're able to do it well, it means now you need to be prompted with the equations on stage 2. So we have to switch this to chatbot 1D. Switch costume to chatbot 1D. And then ask question again. Let me see if I can duplicate that goddamn block. Okay. Let me quickly do this. Yep. So I think we need to, let me see something. Anytime we need to ask a question, we need to switch the costume to chatbot 1D before we do that. So let's quickly check before each question, then we feed in that information. Yeah, I think that will be okay for us. Yeah. So from question 1, you see this? It's done here like that, which we didn't do here. So we need to switch costume to 1D. Yeah. For question 2. Question 3, we need to switch it to 1D. Correct? Then question 4, switch costume to 1D again. Then finally, now, okay, from there we are good to go. Good. So what we need to do right now is another set of questions for question 2. say stage 2. So I want us to duplicate some blocks. Let's be very careful on what we do. So we can drag this to separate this one here, then do this. Then we need this block. This whole block is for our questions and answers, and then if it's correct and if it's wrong and the likes, and the scores increment and whatever. Can duplicate and keep it here. Fix here. Fix here. So we can now drag you down here and scroll up. Drag and then fix you here. So we need question 5 now. So we can clear this. Think it is working for us. Question 5. Does a computer? Yes. So just copy this. Question 5. Does a computer? So let me just change it to lowercase letters. Yeah, so it's continue. So you say let's continue. But if it's wrong, blah blah blah, it's also taken care of. So you can duplicate this now. Keep it here. That's your computer. So now we'll go to question 6 now. Go to question 6. What does the T in the acronym ICT stands for? It's technology, right? Oh. If the answer is technology, so in this case, an acronym, so the answer starts with an uppercase letter. Technology. Yes. So you are correct. Let's continue. Else, you are wrong. That is question goddamn 6. So switch, go to question 7. Oh gosh. Question 7. Question 7. It's known as this is a common now software. Okay. Question 8. Question 8. So you have to duplicate this. Question 8. So let's go for the question 8, which is a true or false. Okay. Because I would love to end on question 8, let me just go for this question. Which of the following is not an output device? Why not input rather? Let me go for this. Question 9 instead of for question 8. So what is going to happen here is after this particular question, we'll end it here just to make things short. So if you want to take it to the next level, what you need to do is just to duplicate the blocks, feed in your questions, give your instructions just the way you see on the screen. You follow that, and then you'll be able to go well. Good. So which of the following is not an input? We have joystick, mouse, printer, and then keyboard. So the answer here should be printer. If the answer is equal to printer, then you switch to chatbot 1C and then say you are correct. Let's continue for 3 seconds. This is score by 1. So after this, now the total score from stage 1 to stage 2 is now, we have 8 questions. So it means total score should be 8. So we now have to keep track of the score and see whether the person is able to qualify to the next round. So to do that, maybe you can set the limit to, at the second stage, you can set the limit to, if the answer or the total score or the score the user had is greater than 6, that is from 7 to 8, that is 7, 8. It's greater than 6, that means you should be able to qualify to what? The next round. That means 6 out of 8. You should be able to qualify to the next round. And you've seen how I've just done it here. So this block will do the work, what I'm talking about. So what we need to do is that if the score, so you can check something here. This block will do the justice. So if score is greater than 6, then switch costume to 1C, that is, then switch backdrop to the 3rd stage. And you choose it here. Then you say congratulations, you've done it. Else, if it is lower than that or anything that is lower than 6, it means you are not qualified. So it will say sorry and then it will stop us. So yours is just to duplicate this block and then fix it below. And then you will be good to go. So I think after this, I would like to end the story here by doing something like, so right now, let me just go and duplicate this code. This block of code. If scores, okay, this, separate this one. Separate this, can duplicate this, can keep it here, fix it back, to let them go here. So you can come this way. So now out of 8 questions, if scores is greater than 6, or should we make it 5? 5 out of 8. Okay, 5. It means 6, 7, 8. You are qualified. Else, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are not qualified. You should switch costume to this and then switch to the 3rd, which is library. 3rd atmosphere or 3rd backdrop, which is the library. And it will say congratulations. If you want to go to the next stage again, you want to set another questions for next stage. That is when you use this message. Congratulations, you have qualified for the next stage. Copy this code. Blah, 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 blah. But if you don't want it that way, like me, I want to end it here because I don't want the videos to be too long. I want to end it here, and then I'll issue a trophy or maybe an award for that. So I'll say, congratulations, you've done extraordinary well. You are really an IT expert. So I'll just say something like that. Congratulations. Yes. Congratulations. You are really an IT expert. Thanks for your time. You deserve an award. Hey. An award. Thanks for your goddamn time. Good. Say thanks for your time. Or sorry. you couldn't make it. So try your luck next time. Sorry, you couldn't make it. Uh-huh. Sorry, you couldn't make it. Try your luck next time. Then from there, I will stop, or even here too, I will have to stop, or because I'm done. Yeah, I will have to stop. So why don't I just drag this and duplicate it? I need one of them here. Okay, okay, okay. I need one. Then I'll have to switch backdrop to, I need another beautiful backdrop, like a backdrop for celebration. Something like that, so that I can just display it here, right? That would be nice. So let me go to my backdrops and see. Backdrop, backdrop, backdrop. Like celebration atmosphere. I think this is a party time, right? Stand up for the champion. You see, we can even import that song. I don't have it again on my PC. Oh shit. It's like I do have it. Yeah, I do have it. I do have it. I do have it. Stand up for the champion. Yes, I do have it. Yes. And then let me import it. Party atmosphere, or the party room. I think this balloon stuff is okay. Let me go ahead and check for more, you know. Ah, man, party time, celebration, party time. This is okay. So I'll have to switch backdrop to party, right? Hey, congratulations. I'll have to switch backdrop to party. Time for celebration because I've passed my text successfully. So switch backdrop to party. After that, and then it should say my name. This is party for you. I need this block, please. Just duplicate this. Bring this one back. Then I need the say block. Then it should say something. This is a party for you. Party for you. In fact, I deserve a party. I have to throw one for myself. Good. I think you're okay with this. Can be celebrating something here with our message popping up and all that. So I think, yep, we are good to go. 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 Party for you for how many seconds? At least 20 goddamn seconds. Yes. Yeah, 20 seconds is okay. So, should they play some song for me? Ish. Do I need... please, let me quickly check and see in my document what I have. It's like, I remembered. Oh, actually, very sorry. I can't have it here. It's on another PC. Sorry. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, I need some party sound, right? So why don't I import one sound over? Yeah, sound. Party. Yes. Birthday bells. Oh. We need party stuff since talking of birthday. Who's celebrating birthday here? Handicap. LMNOP. Party noise. Woohoo! That's it. Play party noise. Let's go back. Then we'll go to sounds. Then as the party is being thrown, then we can play. Play sound party noise. Play sound party noise. Should I use the until block? Until done. Until the end of the goddamn song. Play this song. So after this, it will. Okay, let's quickly test it and then we call it a day. Wow, what's your name? Since a party is going to be thrown at the end of it, why don't I use my real name? Rashid. Okay. Wow, what a lovely name. Yeah, I know my name is lovely. You don't have to tell me that. Yeah, yes, you can do that. That's good. Let's start. But before we start, read the following instructions. Yeah, I'm done. I can't wait to celebrate. Yo, it's okay. Instructions are okay. And questions. Oh, icons, right? Hey, what did you and Paul? You are correct. Let's continue. The four main hardware and mouse. Mouse. You are correct. Let's continue. All the following are ICT tools except mobile phone, pencil. You can't be an ICT tool. You are just one of the tools for an artist. Should we encrypt? Yes, we have to do that. This is confidential. Sure. We don't want any invaders. Congratulations, Rashid. You've qualified to the 0456. That's my code. Let me keep my code secret so that we're able to go to the next round. Oh gosh, let me just switch it to this atmosphere. Lovely. Good. Yes. Enter your code. The code is what? 0456. Okay. 0456. Good luck. Confirm my code to continue. So I have to 0456. Welcome to stage 2. Oh, okay. Thank you. Does a computer laptop have GUI, that is Graphical User Interface or Graphics User Interface? Oh, yes, it has. That is why we are enjoying it. You are correct. Let's continue. Okay, I know I'm correct. What does that letter T? That is technology. So, like I said, this should be capitalized. Technology. You are correct. Let's continue. 05. A program that enables a computer to perform that is soft goddamn way. You are correct. Let's continue. Which of the following is not an input device? Joystick, mouse, printer. You cannot be an input device. Who told you are one? You are correct. Let's continue. Congratulations, Rashid. You are really an IT expert. You deserve an award. Thank you for your time. Let me wait for this to see my, what do you call it? My little award. Rashid, this is a party for you. Imagine if you have some speakers, you can be enjoying this goddamn song. Along the line, stand up for the champion, stand up. Thank you for watching, and bye. I advise you follow this tutorial very well, and I pray you enjoy it. If there is any question, you can leave it in the comments. Then see how we can address it. Thank you.